Welcome back to the world of J8Cubes, guys. Today, as you can see, we have a bowl with ice. And then, I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube with freezing cold hands. I'm going to say Rubik's Cube, I mean Rubik's Cube. So, let's just fill this with water. That should be good enough. And then I'll drink some as well. Drink the water kit, stay hydrated. Actually, it's probably going to spill when I put my hands in, so I'm just going to go grab a towel. Give me a sec. Okay, right, I'm back. I got a towel, I scrambled the cube, and I realized that bowl was no way going to be big enough, so I got this. And I'm going to stick my hands in there for a minute, and then I'm going to try and solve the cube. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, that is freezing. That actually is so cold. Oh. Just take this opportunity to plug my channel. If you enjoy the videos, feel free to subscribe. There's a Gun 11M Pro unboxing on the way. Hint, hint. And if you liked the video, consider liking it. If you didn't like it, well, then dislike it. Oh, and by the way, this video is inspired by Cube Raisin. He's an amazing guy. Go check out his channel in the description. But oh my god, I feel for him. Oh my, what this hurts. This is actually the second time I've recorded this clip. The first time I messed up. So yeah. Ouch, this is painful. We're nearly done though. Oh, my hands are turning numb. Don't ever do this at home. Okay. Oh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh my. Actually, my hand's starting to warm up now. I guess I didn't make the water cold enough. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we'll skip. And let's keep Oh, 33 minutes. I want to beat it though. Okay, here we go again. Another 30 seconds. Actually, this time I'm going for a minute and a half in the ice water. Oof. Ouch. I'm actually quite impressed with that 33-second time. Oh, I'm actually going to spare you the torture of having to watch this for another minute and a half and just pause the video here and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, right, last 10 seconds. 5 now, and I got someone to come in and scramble the cube as well. Okay. Oh my god, this actually really hurts now. Okay, inspection. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, this is worse than before. Oh look, that is so hard. My hands are so cold. I want to be 33. Oh no, misrecognized. I just failed. Well, anyway guys, hope you enjoyed. And this is J8Cubes, out.